take 1 second to support this channel. Tap that like button, subscribe so you don't miss future men's health videos, and let me know in the comments.
Good morning.
እንደምን አደርሽ?
Good morning.
እንደምን አደርክ?
How are you?
እንዴት ነሽ?
I am good. And you?
እኔ ደህና ነኝ። አንተስ?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Milan. What's your name?
My name is Hannah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hannah, where are you from?
I am from Japan. What about you?
I am from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris. And you?
I live in Tokyo.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old. You?
I am 24 years old. What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work at the hospital.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister. What about you?
I have 2 brothers.
Great. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite food?
I love sushi. What's yours?
I really like pasta.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.